In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply themes in PowerPoint. Applying themes is one of the quickest ways to give your presentation a clean, consistent, and professional look. Start by opening your presentation, then head to the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. This is your home base for themes and overall visual styling. In the Themes group, you'll see a gallery of ready-made designs. Click any theme to instantly apply it across all your slides. If you don't see something you like right away, click the drop-down arrow at the end of the gallery to reveal more options. PowerPoint includes a wide range from minimal and modern to colorful and bold, so take a moment to explore. Before you commit, you can preview a theme without changing anything. Simply hover your mouse over a theme thumbnail, and PowerPoint will show a live preview on your slides. This is a safe way to test a few looks and check readability and layout before you click. And once you've chosen a theme, refine it with variants, which appear just to the right of the themes gallery. Variants let you customize colors, fonts, effects, and background styles while keeping the core design intact. For example, you might pick a darker background variant for better contrast, or switch to a softer color set to better match your topic. If you only want a theme on certain slides, you can do that too. In the thumbnail panel on the left, select the slide or slides you want. Use Shift or Control to select multiples, then right-click the theme thumbnail and choose Apply to selected slides. This is great for section dividers or special emphasis slides. To tailor colors and fonts to your brand, go to Design, then Variants, choose Colors, and select Customize Colors. Define accent and text colors that match your identity. Do the same under fonts by choosing Customize Fonts and selecting a heading font and a body font that pair well. When you're done, save this as your own custom theme style so you can reuse it later. If you find a perfect setup, make it your default. Right-click the theme and choose Set as Default Theme. From now on, new presentations will start with that look, and you can always change it later. Finally, if you have a custom or downloaded theme file, go to Design and select Browse for Themes. Choose a .thmx file from your computer, and it will apply immediately. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.